Hey friends, let's talk about understanding paid URL inclusion. This is Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center, and let's dive in. Many search engines reside on the internet. Search engines are crucial for every website's promotion. It acts as an initial interaction point for people looking for information, products, or services on the internet. As a result, the visibility of your website in search engine results is critical. Websites must immediately rise to the top of search results in order to gain traffic. Many search engines on the internet provide extra services, such as paid inclusion. Paid URL inclusion is a search engine marketing method in which you pay a search engine an annual fee to have your web pages included in their index. Without a doubt, search engines already have an automated program called a spider or a crawler that indexes all of the web pages it retrieves online for free. As a result, whether you pay or not, search engines will eventually index your web pages if a spider can trace a link to your website. So now the issue is, why pay when your goal may be achieved for free? Because of the speed, it is simple. In free inclusion, a search engine takes months to index all your website's web pages. When you choose paid URL inclusion, however, the search engine employs an additional spider that is programmed to index certain web pages that have been paid for. The main difference between free and paid inclusion is speed. The free spider discovers your website, follows your links, and indexes your web pages. However, it may take several months and you may lose a significant amount of traffic to your website and offerings. However, using sponsored URL inclusion, a paid spider will index all your website's web pages almost instantly. The reason for the renewal fee. As previously stated, with paid URL inclusion, you must pay a fee to the search engine for indexing your web pages on a yearly basis. Now the question is, why is there a need for a renewal annual charge when search engines will eventually index your web pages? The cost is required to keep your web pages indexed in search results. It is also crucial to note that if you choose paid URL inclusion, if you do not renew your inclusion at the end of the period, many search engines will remove your website from their index for a period. The benefits of paid URL inclusion. Rapid inclusion. The biggest benefit is obvious. Once you pay for inclusion, the spider immediately indexes your website. Rapid re-indexing. The sponsored spider will visit your web pages on a regular basis, sometimes even daily. This makes it easier to keep your web pages up to date in order to improve your rating. Paid URL inclusion has a limited reach, which is another key drawback. Paid URL inclusion is not available on major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, or AOL. This means you will only obtain a small portion of your website's traffic from it. Whether you choose paid URL inclusion or not, the search engines will eventually index your website. Thanks for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube, and visit our website for quality ebooks, audiobooks, HD video courses, and many more.